to another edition of making a drink with our Nespresso compatible tea capsules. So today we're going to be working with our Earl Grey again. We thought today we'd do something different by trying to make a drink called the Dirty Earl. So basically some of you might have heard before like dirty chai. So what dirty chai basically means is making a chai latte and then adding a shot of espresso into the drink. And so we're gonna try our version of Dirty Earl. So we're gonna make an Earl Grey latte with a Nespresso coffee capsule. And here we have, so all you need today is your machine, of course, a milk frother if you want it to be a hot latte, and your capsule. So this is your Earl Grey capsule. We have got a the Nespresso capsule that came with our machine, which we actually never really used. The one we've got is called the Volto. So I checked online, it's actually about a 4 or 5 rating. In terms of intensity, it is supposed to be quite light and sweet. So we thought we would try this one first. And then we've also got a cup of milk where we actually steep the Earl Grey tea leaves overnight with the milk, and so it's basically flavored Earl Grey milk, slightly flavored, yeah, to give the bit of more intensity in the Earl Grey flavor. So what we can do is we're actually gonna pop our capsule in. So if this is your first time watching, the capsule that we have got is a biodegradable, 100% biodecompostable capsule. It is not like your aluminium one. As you can see, it's very different, but they are supposed to fit into your Nespresso machine and they would work fine. You probably just need to be a bit more gentle when placing the capsule in, as it's not aluminium, like sturdy like Nespresso, but it works fine. So we're just gonna pop it in and press it down, and we're going to press the espresso shot, so it's a small one. We're gonna pull up about 3 shots of that, and as you can see, you can actually pull up multiple times with one capsule. Actually, we're gonna just leave it to 2 shots, and then we're going to use our coffee capsule for the next one. And we're going to pour in the milk as well now into our milk frother to froth it up to keep it warm. And yeah, and now we're gonna put our Nespresso coffee capsule in. And we're just gonna pull out 1 shot later after we've put in our milk. But meanwhile, I'd just like to show you our coffee capsule. So we placed it in, as you've seen earlier on. It's just got 3 punctured holes, quite simply. So it works fine with all Nespresso compatible machines at home. Yeah, it should just look exactly like that, no issue. And you can actually compost them at home if you have a compostable bin as well. And yeah, if you have any questions, let us know. But in the meantime, I'd also like to share with you that we have 3 flavors for our tea capsules. We have an Earl Grey, we have the peach green, we have a chamomile lavender. It comes in a box like that of 12, or you have a assorted flavor where we get 4 of each. Alternatively is you could get our refill packets. They are the same, it's just that it comes without the box itself. It comes in a pouch, so you kind of save on the packaging. And here, so we have our milk froth up here, and we're just gonna pour that in here into a cup. foamy. And then here we're going to pull up a shot of our coffee now. And there we have it. We have a Dirty Earl. Let's gonna try it. It's just nice. The flavor of the Earl Grey is still very evident, and the coffee is not too overpowering. But if you like it to be a bit sweeter, if you're used to having sweet drinks, we recommend that you add a bit of honey in it to taste. And that's it. That's all we have for today's version of working from home with our Nespresso machine. Thank you.